Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. What's up, darlings? Your brightest star is back to bring you a fun-filled talk show with our favorite Filipino drag artists. This is Brigading the Brag. This week is another beautiful episode dahil masaya na naman ang pag-uusapan natin with our very special global guests. But before we meet her, reminder lang that our second episode is now up on my YouTube channel. That's with the Beshi Beshi, Hana Beshi. Also, guys, if you drop a total of 20,000 Kumu coins, meron na kayong automatic pass to the studio. Katulad ng ating live studio audience ngayon. Hi, guys! Ang gaganda. Uy, grabe kayo. Uy, grabe. We feel your love. Relax and enjoy our episode tonight dahil I'm sure this episode will be filled with global opulence and glamour. Okay. Muli na namang nagniningning ang Philippines sa global stage dahil sa Filipino drag queen na makakasama natin tonight. Here comes Your Majesty, the Queen of Opulence, Drag Race Global All-Stars, Eva La Queen!
Yes! Hello! Hello,
Ding, 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 ding,
Kumu!
ding. Welcome to the
Hello.
brand season 2, sis.
Hi, sis. Thanks for having me here.
Thank you for saying yes today.
Oo
How
naman.
are you? How have you been?
Beautiful, successful, fresh, bagong paligo. And yeah, I'm feeling really, really great.
How has it been nung nakaraan nag-release lang tayo ng double episode premiere ng
Yes.
Global All-Stars
Oh my
and
goodness.
nagpa-event ka sa Tanghalang Pasigueño.
Diba?
May pa red carpet. I
Ay.
love that for you. How is that?
Yes.
How's that?
I was like, kasi medyo maiksi lang yung preparation time since they told us that they will drop
Oh,
global.
okay.
Like parang just, talaga ba? Next week na? Okay. So parang after DragCon, we had to come back and plan for everything. Siyempre, ako kasi ever since, even when I was still planning, when I was called for global, ang goal ko talaga na parang, oh my God, let's make it everyone's business. Every Filipino queen's business.
Kailangan
that
lahat
I am
involved,
there.
kasama.
Oo. Kasi, yun talaga yun din naman talaga ako ever since eh. Like, I've always wanted something that's bigger than myself. So, when I did that premiere for Global, syempre alam ko na episode ko yung episode 2.
Yeah.
Alam ko na episode ko siya. So parang, okay, let's make it. I want everyone to be a part of it. So I invited everyone. Drag Race Season 1, 2, 3. Drag Den Season 1, 2. All the local girls. And my family and friends. Dilig. Alam mo yung parang, para akong nagpakasal. Like, for me, I actually spent most of that event from my own savings because, I really wanted to be big. I wanted to invite as much people as been there for Eva and the global journey. I want to invite as much queens and feel seen and represented and have that experience to be in that premiere with me.
For sure, yung mga nagpunta dun sa event na yun, I myself was very, very inspiring. Like, grabe, yung kayang gawin ng show to someone and knowing na this can also happen to me, to all of
Yes.
us. Kung saan tayo
Yes.
nanggaling from the pandemic and yung landscape ng drag industry in the Philippines before Drag Race Philippines and all of this.
Diba? From where we're... Kanina nga sinasabi lang natin na share the life, parang nostalgic na. Parang, there was a time that we only lived through Facebook Live.
Yeah, true.
And now, like, I am in Global. I invited everyone. Not because gusto ko magpaanda na parang tignan niyo ako, I'm Global. It's also to show everyone that it is possible.
Yeah.
Not that I'm special.
And it's Pinoy pride.
Yes, it
You are the pride of Philippine drag. Grabe yon. For real. Sobrang daming messaging na napaka-powerful nung ginawa mong event. If I may ask, Eva,
Yes.
when did you receive the call for Global All-Stars?
Siyempre, without disclosing my NDA, di ba? But
Uh-uh.
it happened, of course. It happened last year.
Okay. And then,
Right.
how is that? How did you feel like getting the call? Or was it like an expected call? Or did you like campaign for that call? Or anong tumatakbo sa utak mo? Did you really see yourself doing that? Or
Alam mo, that's the thing. Like, ang nangyari lang is that I received a call from one of the casting directors. And they just said, Eva, do you want to compete again? It's like, yes! Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yun. So baka nga ano, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. What if American Idol pala yung sinalihan ko? Or ano, America's Got Talent, di ba? So parang basta yes. Yes. And then the next thing I knew, after a couple of months, I already received the formal cast letter with everything, the preparations that I have to do. And from that call, I didn't have to do anything. So parang as RuPaul said in the trailer, 'di ba? Na parang yun talaga yun na parang of hundreds of drag race queens, I have chosen each of you to represent your country.
wow,
So,
special.
I would forever hold on to that. I didn't have to audition for it. I didn't feeling ko my audition tape was my run and Drag Race Philippines season 1. I didn't have to ask for it. I didn't have to fight for it. It was given to me.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my God.
When you receive the call, kamusta yung preparation? I-walk through mo naman kami. Like, syempre, nalaman mo na this is gonna be an all-star competition and global yung Philippines ang i-represent mo. How did you like parang try to okay, paano natin to gagawin? Anong strategy ang nangyari dito para mabuo mo yung gagawin mo sa Global All-Stars?
So without even knowing what it is, alam ko lang magko-compete ako on an international level. So I assembled a group. Like kasi nung alam mo na Drag Race Philippines Season 1, when we were preparing, honestly naubos yung oras ko sa paglalagay ng bato, sa mga damit, 'di ba? Sa pagtatahi ng sarili kong outfit and having the chance to do the gig again, parang naisip ko, ano ba yung mga bagay na sana nagawa ko noong nagpre-prepare ako for Season 1. So, I took the time talaga na I assembled a fashion team, a styling team led by Ryuji Shimizu, which is the fashion director of Mega. I created the deck. Ito yung mga runways. Ito yung mga gusto kong vision. Sino yung best designers to approach for and execute the vision? Sino yung magaling sa gantong technique ganyan. So with the fashion out of the way, I was able to have more time to do other things to, prepare myself. So, ang hashtag namin, hashtag no stones unturned. We left no stones unturned. So, syempre, nilapit ako na si Direk Ice. Direk, parang kailangan ko po ng vocal coach. Sabi niya. So, Direk Ice, sabi niya, ay, naku, hindi ko yan matuturo sa'yo. Eto si Teacher Sweet from the company. Then she bridged us, which is also Venus's voice coach. So, nag-voice coaching ako kay Teacher Sweet, how to modulate my voice. Kaya yung putang ina.
Uy, birit eh. Ang taas. May
Ang
nota.
taas. Kasi galing siyang diaphragm.
May technique talagang pinagdaanan yun.
Galing siyang diaphragm. Breathing technique siya galing sa Demon Slayer. Tapos, nag-aral ako ng pasarela training on how to walk in heels with Miss Jo, which also was my musicality and movement coach.
We saw that.
Yeah, kasi sa drag naman, you're lip syncing for your life, you don't learn choreography eh. Walang choreography na tinuturo. What you need to learn as a lip sync performer is what are the right movements for the right beat of sound.
Yeah.
But then I was told na parang there's no one right thing to do it.
Mm-mm.
Parang kung ano yung nararamdaman mong gawin at the moment, you just have to commit.
Yeah.
And then I did acting coach. I did improv classes. Very, very important.
Very important.
Yung I'm having improv classes on my Snatch Game character. Syempre, abangan nyo na lang.
What? Oh my God, exciting!
So parang tinest drive namin siya. Parang we've been doing all kinds of Snatch Game, normal Snatch Game of Love, all kinds of Snatch Game na alam nating format. So I tried to relearn and redo the entire gig for like a couple of months before I flew in and started filming.
Grabe yung preparation.
Yes.
Wow. Talagang sobrang trabaho talaga yung pagpunta dun sa pag-compete again. That's why you just won your episode! Grabe! The talent performance.
Thank you. Pero yun naman kasi talaga. Kumbaga parang, if you have everything to gain and everything to lose at the same time. Parang, for me, very spiritual yung ganong klaseng parang, how many people to have this chance to have all the means to do what you love the most in your entire life and do it 120, 150% and have that one shot that will change your life forever, di ba? So parang talagang no stones unturned.
Yeah.
Talaga.
Talagang lahat kailangan pulido, plakado, pasabog.
Oo. Para pag nandun ka, ano
Wala kang isipin.
mang mangyari,
Oo.
you know na you have nothing to regret. Wala kang ire-regret. You did
Prepared.
not. You know that at whatever, like we always say nung panahon natin ba, with all things considered, I know I gave my best.
You gave a good show.
Yes.
May nagtatanong sa Twitterlandia. Twitterlandia. Binanggit ko sa Xlandia. How is it seeing Ru sa judging panel and Michelle Visage and the rest of the judges?
Ay, grabe. Imagine wala kaming entrance sa workroom. Pagpasok namin, runway agad, main stage agad. Tapos
Yes.
si Mother Ru agad yung buyang-yang. Talaga si Mother Ru agad yung nakalabas. So parang, para talagang out of body. Alam mo yung naglalakad lang yung katawan ko, umaarte lang ako ng ganun sa camera, pero yung yung utak mo talaga nagwawala na parang, totoo ba to? Parang, para kung parang imagination lang to, panaginip ba to? Dream sequence
And
ba
even
to?
kahit sa aming mga nanonood nung time na ni-release yung Meet the Queens at in-announce kayong cast, nung nakita namin yung grabe, wow, oh my God, Evil a Queen in front of RuPaul is like a dream come true for all of us.
Totoo. Lapakan natin yan. Ilan pa lang ba tayong mga from the Philippine franchise? So far, 2 pa lang.
Yeah.
And then, nung pag-drag con, hindi mo naman masyado nakakausap yan si Mother.
Pwede makikita mo siya.
Lalabas siya, gugupit siya ng ribbon ng alas 8 ng umaga, tapos uwi na siya ulit. Babalik
Tapos talaga mawawala. As in, biglang parang bula mawawala.
Para sa nilalamon ng carpet. Tapos, lalabas na lang siya alas 3 kasi magsispin siya. Tapos, andun pa siya sa tuktok. So, parang grabe. And, the thing is, when she uttered the words Evil the Queen, it's like, oh my God. She knows of me. She knows I exist and I am right in front of her. Kasi parang gusto kong sabihin kay RuPaul na parang alam mo bang kung gaano karaming buhay yung binago mo from that side of the world? Parang, 35 hours akong bumiyahe just to be here. Sobrang layo ng pinanggalingan ko and look at me. This is what you've done from that side of the world. If no one has told you, grabe.
Well, how is it naman, Evil Queen, knowing that you're competing against the world, like the best of the best of each country's nakasama mo sa Global All-Stars? And one of the biggest names is Alyssa Edwards.
Ay,
She's
grabe.
one of my biggest inspirations.
I
Idol
know.
ko si Alyssa Edwards.
I know.
Kamusta? How did you feel like when you saw all of them?
Sabog talaga, ate.
Sabog nga.
Sabog.
Sabog,
Hindi,
te.
pero parang sabi ko nga, oh my goodness, like, para ako nag-compete ulit ng season 1 ng Drag Race Philippines. When you know everyone is like out there, like, talagang in it to win it, walang filler girl. Except for, wala. Walang filler
Pero
girl.
like, kilala mo ba sila before the competition? Like, okay, ito siya yung representative ng bansang to. Hindi ko naman yun napanood or napanood ko. Lahat pinanood mo. Is it also part of your preparation?
Sabi ni Marina, dapat daw panoorin ko. But girl, who has time for that? Pero hindi talaga. Actually, yung mga non-English speaking franchises.
Mahirap na hindi na kaya
mahirap
i-absorb.
talaga. Parang, maniwala naman ako pinanood nyo rin yung Philippines. So, ano na tayo? Pantay-pantay lang tayo dito.
Totoo.
Pero syempre yung mga, halimbawa, Kitty Scott.
Yeah,
I've
UK.
watched the season. Kasi nga, crush ko si Ella Vaday.
True.
Diba?
Yeah.
And then,
Mhm.
yes, and of course, Queen Kong. Some of these girls I've met sa DragCon.
Yeah.
Pero most of them, medyo bago. Lalo na yung Sweden,
Brazil.
Brazil. Oh,
Yeah.
ang Brazil kasi parang ano pa lang siya. At that time, parang fetus pa lang siya talaga.
Baby pa
Parang
lang. One
season
season.
pa lang
2
sila.
season pa lang.
And Germany,
Mhm.
yung mga hindi mo naman sila, Belgium, meron
Yeah,
palang
oo.
Belgium, di ba? Ang alam mo, parang,
Ang alam
ang
kasi
alam mo na
natin,
chocolate.
ang alam lang kasi natin, US, UK, and then
US,
Philippines.
UK, Philippines. Tama, top 3. Top
Okay.
3 franchises. Pero yun, pero nung nakita ko si Alyssa, it's like, you know what, it's like off camera, I told Alyssa, it's like, you walking in is like Beyonce joining American Idol.
Right.
Like,
True.
Parang ba't nandito ka pa? Parang,
Oh.
why are you here? It's like Beyonce joining American Idol. This is crazy. Pero, of course, parang what merit is there, di ba? If the competition is not gonna give you the glory, di ba? So parang talagang being a part of that cast alone is already a feat. Kasi lahat sila finalists. Winner material. So talagang, sabog, naka-proud.
Okay, so what makes this Global All-Stars different from other All-Star franchises? Without spoiling, pero like from your perspective, ano yung feeling mo na iba to talaga sa UK versus the World, All-Stars, All Winners, All-Stars US?
First, kasi andun ako.
Love work! Tama! Aha.
Ano pa? Ano pa ako iba makikita? Hindi, eme lang. It's different kasi ano talaga siya. Unlike UK versus the world or the versus the world format, para kasi siyang Eurovision eh. So there are countries that have more than 2 representatives from their own countries. So talagang medyo may connivance, merong mga may mga alliances, ganyan-ganyan. Ito kasi talagang one of each lang.
Yeah.
And for me, based on my experience, what made it so beautiful kasi everyone has like pretty much same chance of winning, same chance of same airtime pretty much. And you get to appreciate their drag from wherever they came from. Like it's not looking for one particular mold na dapat ganto, dapat ganyan. It's different. And for me, just like any franchise, any season, what makes the season unique is the cast themselves.
Right.
Like talagang power. And they will not hold back. Like, I don't know if it's language barrier, pero magagaspang yung ugali ng iba.
Or hindi pa masyadong pinapakita, hindi pa natin nakikita masyado.
Hindi pa, kasi wala pang elimination eh. Parang next week, lalabas na yung ugali ng mga talaga.
Pero napanood ko kasi kanina, grabe yung makikita mo talaga na iba't iba sila ng hugot, iba-iba sila ng pinaglalaban doon sa bansa nila.
Totoo. And also, in the same, na, ang ganda na may mga best practices at may mga magagandang nangyayari sa mga buhay nila na, limbawa si ganito, at the time, parang paglabas pala namin, she's preparing for her wedding. You get to see a glimpse of what LGBTQIA+ life is like from their country. And it's like, hindi man nangyari sa akin yung mga dream wedding, I'm happy that it happens in other parts of the world.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng Global All-Stars for real.
True.
And this is literally ito na talaga yung Olympics of drag.
Correct.
Representing your own
Miss Universe.
country, di ba?
One lang from each
Bongga!
country.
Okay. Thank you, Eva, sa napakaraming information and insights about Global All-Stars. Let's move on sa Drag Race Philippines Season 3.
Yes.
Yes! Kakatapos lang ng episode last night. Episode 3, which is the girl group episode.
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo sa cast ng Season 3?
Oh
in
my
general?
As nung una sabi ko, alam mo, there's nothing like Season 1. Tapos, and then nakita ko sila, it's like, parang, ano sila talaga. Well, they have some, iba.
Oh, iba.
Iba tong season 3. Like, everyone really has, may ibubuga.
True.
Lahat. Walang, lahat sila, they're a character on their own. Love them or hate them, they are their own queen. And talagang, they have broken some archetypes ng drag.
Right.
Na, halimbawa, verse sex. Oh my goodness, grabe. Those, that verbiage and that, yung mga catchphrases niya. Talaga. And then there's like Zimba. My goodness.
Yeah.
And to think na a lot of them started drag really young.
Karamihan nga sa kanila, parang most of the cast are like 30 years old below. And then we have Tita Baby.
Yes, si Tita Baby. Parang ano ba siya, nung nagda-drag siya, unang racket niya sa Last Supper. Okay, ginawa siyang entertainment. Sa
Siya
Last
yung performer nun. Siya yung pinapanood dun
Oo.
sa Last Supper. Wait, sino yung pinaka nag-stand out for you? With 3 episodes, sino yung pinaka, okay, she's the one to beat. She's the one.
For several reasons. Una sa lahat, for TV Gold, Angel is TV Gold.
Angel! I
Grabe.
love Angel, yes.
Like, grabe. So unbothered, so unhinged. Nas like, ang sarap ko. Yun lang. Pag binuksan mo yung utak niya, yun yung unang lalabas. Masarap. Ako yung masarap na queen. And talagang, because it reminded me of a time when drag was fun. Like, I love what I'm doing. I love the fans. I love my performances. Elevated version siya. Pero once you become a Ru girl, there's that certain, I think it's just for me. I hold myself to a different standard na parang I have to do this, I have to look good, I have to. Sometimes it gets in the way of just enjoying the moment. And I see that energy from Angel, the unhinged, happy drag that I used to do, and like magmukha akong baliw and tanga. It's fine.
Parang for me, parang she is the most authentic.
Ang lala talaga.
Grabe, walang mawawala sa akin dito.
Oo.
I'm gonna say whatever I want to
Masarap
say.
ako.
Bahala kayo sa buhay ninyo. This is my drag race season.
Correct.
I love Angel.
And also on the ano naman sa race mismo,
okay.
Kiana is a breakthrough.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Nakakagulat.
3 episodes in and she's just jaw-dropping. The talent, personality, the runway package. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Who would have known na ano talaga, parang galing siyang CDO. Well, we don't expect less from CDO. We already had Hannah Beshi. Even during our time, we had Morgana, diba? From Davao. Na talagang, there's so much untapped talent from the South. And
Yeah.
grabe, she is such a revelation.
Sabi nga ni Hannah Beshi, sana dumating yung panahon na merong Drag Race Philippine season na half is from Manila and then half is like provincial or regional queens para talagang mas makilala natin yung iba't ibang klase ng drag na meron tayo sa Philippines aside from, kasi di ba parang mainly laging galing from Manila. So sana dumating yung time na yon, no, para mas makilala natin yung different talents.
I think it will start muna na magkaroon ng drag scene dun sa mga parting yun ng Pilipinas. Kasi, like, for example, Kiana was from the House of La Fea. So, they're from the same, yung origins nila is from the same family.
Yeah.
Pero there's a high chance that there will be more queens, more young queer kids there with such dreams and untapped potential. Pero wala silang means to perform. Walang drag scene sa lugar nila. Walang bar na nagbubook sa kanila. So I think we should have our own Work the World tour within the Philippines. Diba?
Yeah.
Parang let's start a drag scene everywhere. Laguna, let's keep traveling here and there. Pag-performin natin yung local queens and, bring the local queens to the fans din na parang supportahan niyo itong mga because you'll never know if the next Filipino drag superstar will be coming from your province, from
that's
your
true.
regional areas.
That's
diba?
so true.
So, book nyo. Book nyo kami. Kami ni Briggs.
Kami magdadala ng show dyan.
The Cake Davao.
Kami mag-produce ng show dyan.
Playhouse Laguna.
Yes!
We should have Playhouse Ilocos. Like, let's make it a thing.
Yeah.
Diba?
Tama. What can you say about the challenge winner last night, or the girl group challenge winner last night, Maxi?
Yes.
Deserving, no? Deserve.
Of course.
Parang,
and come on, she's from Queen of the Universe. And even without the Queens of the Universe on her belt, we know na she's a performer.
Powerhouse si Maxi. Even without Universe. Before pa lang,
Yeah.
when she started sa O-Bar, grabe. The talent is like, parang, books, biglang
Correct.
sumabay talaga.
Oh, she is that girl group material talaga. She can sing, she can dance, she looks flawless, she knows her body, she knows her movements, she's got that X factor eh. You know, maraming magaling sumayaw, maraming magaling maganda, lahat talented, pero that there has to be that something else that sets you apart, and that's hindi mo you can't put a word to it eh. Parang ano talaga siya.
Mafe-feel mo siya.
Mafe-feel mo siya,
Yeah.
and that's X factor, and Maxi is just oozing with it.
As in, todo-todo. Sila dalawa ni Angel. Di ba?
Correct. Si Angel lang really gets away with more charm.
More personality.
More personality. Ang sarap ko.
Oo.
Pero iba rin siya. Iba rin kasi mag-perform si Angel. If you've seen her live, it's like, she just knows her body. She just knows how to work it well.
Mix is
Talaga
your
ako.
daughter from
Yes.
your house. And then
Yes.
last week, grabe yung honor na binigay niya sa'yo.
Correct.
Sa
Grabe.
winning ng second episode. And then last night, she's part of the bottom two. How do you feel about that?
Well, firstly, yung relationship kasi namin ni Mix is like, ako medyo, I don't know. She became part of House of Liqueen when there was a time na we were doing this online
Yeah.
shows with Spaces Manila, Spotlight, di ba? And we gave her gigs here and there. We gave her opportunities, gave her blessings. Pero parang sabi ko sa kanya, you don't have to call me your mother. Like, you don't have to owe me anything. Like, whatever. Kung binigyan kita ng racket, that's because, well, I am in need of your talent and your beauty and your drag. Very transactional siya eh. But it also parang hits different pa rin pala, no? When someone acknowledges that you were a huge part of who they are and what they do. Baga, you don't have to do that. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, huwag mong sasabihin nanay mo ko kasi
Oo nga, from your
it
post.
might take away from your storyline. Parang journey mo to, nak. Like, make it unapologetically, and that journey is yours and yours alone. Like,
Yeah.
it's fine. You don't have to say it. Pero when she did that, it's like, yeah. Because at that time, magpe-premiere na yung Global All-Stars. I was having all these thoughts. I was like really spiraling into this crazy headspace. It's like, and then you see that, iyak ako ng iyak. Iyak ako ng iyak sa bahay. Na parang, oh my God, I must have done something right.
Yeah.
Thank
Bongga yun. Maganda yan. Maganda. Ako din kasi like parang di ba from Drag Race Season 3, ilang beses din ako nabanggit ni Zimbading. And ako naman, ang sarap sa feeling na it's a proud moment.
Correct.
Di ba na parang from competing to sending someone sa Drag Race Philippines in about like 1 year, 2 years lang. So parang nakaka-proud na hindi man ako nanalo, hindi man ako, may mga hindi man ako nagawa katulad ng nagawa ng iba. But I was able to build one amazing talent and bring her on the show.
Stellar.
And kailangan i-credit natin yung sarili natin for that kasi ang imaging and ang picture nun is like parang supporting each other is beautiful.
Oo nga pala. Pamangkin
Diba?
ko nga pala si Zimba.
Oo.
Pamangkin mo rin si... Oh my God, tayo yung mga... Sino ba mga
tita
ano?
Mga tita na talaga tayo.
Oo nga, mga mothers pala tayo.
Oo.
So PTA pala to. Para tong PTA meeting ng
Diba?
ng mga
At saka
anak
parang-
natin. No?
Ever since before, hindi man like formal, pero talagang nangyayari na yung mga mother, drag sister. Pero at least ngayon na-formalize natin and naipapakita natin na there's beauty in it, na there's power in helping each other, building a community.
Exactly.
This is chosen family, for real.
Correct. And parang nahihiya kasi. Parang, ano ba? You don't have to say that. Pero parang, oo nga. Parang it only proves to show na parang yes, in this life of, it's crazy, it's fun, and
Right.
all this madness of Drag Race. You'll never know who's watching. You'll never know who you're inspiring. And talagang, you just keep doing good kasi it creates a ripple effect. Na
Yeah.
parang ano yung sinimulan mo. Now, probably with me being in Global, there will be other kids na parang, ay,
Right.
kaya ni Eva yan. Kaya ko din.
Yeah. At saka
Diba?
ngayon, ang dami ng nabubuong mga houses, ang dami na
Tama.
nabubuong mga grupo-grupo, 'di ba? From Divine Divas, Playhouse.
Correct.
Ang saya kasi dati talagang kanya-kanya tayo eh. Di lalo nung nagkaroon ng
Oo.
pandemic, nagkanya-kanya tayo, paano makaka-survive. And now it becomes easier kasi knowing na meron kang sister or a drag mother or a drag baby that's there
Correct.
helping and supporting you.
Correct. And I think that's also the reason why we survived nung panahon ng pandemic.
Yeah.
Kasi alam natin na we can't do it alone.
yeah.
And I think to all the kids who want to start doing drag, isa yun sa mga magagandang advice, find your tribe.
Yeah.
Find your sisters that will boost you and have, kasama mong mangarap and would
Yeah.
talagang you'll be unstoppable if you have the right people around you.
Yeah. So napalitan na po ang famous quote na no man is an island, no drag queen is an island.
Correct! Tama.
Okay. Thank you so much, Eva. Ngayon, mag-move on tayo sa isang game.
Ay, lovely.
Maglaro tayo. It's called Ready, Set, Reveal. Eva and I will reenact some scenes from Drag Race Seasons 1 to 3. And then
Ayan.
paunahan lang ang ating mga Kumu live streamers sa comment section na makahula kung sinong queen ang nagsabi ng mga lines or moments na gagawin namin ni Eva. Ang premyo makukuha ninyo ay walang dilit iba kundi shout out and bragging rights.
Oo, Diyos ko,
At least meron, di ba? Kesa wala.
Oo, malayo nararating ng shout out. Akala nyo ba?
Oo, kala nyo ha. Pwede, ang shout out pwedeng ma-share. Basta manalo kayo, i-post nyo agad yan. Baka ma-retweet pa namin or whatever.
Correct.
Di ba? Game, ikaw ang mauna, Miss Eva.
Okay.
Sige. Acting challenge pala to, no?
I have to get in the ano eh.
Okay. Ay. May internalization.
Mama Pao, you did not eliminate me. I eliminated myself. Because I am you. Say it with me. You are me. And we are all one within.
Wait! Ang cute!
Ayan.
Wait, ang daming sumagot. Ay, Hindi ko na
Mama Pao pa lang.
hindi ko na mabantayan kung sino yon.
Madami.
Jaden Cici, hello. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
I-post mo na yan.
Woo!
Okay, ako naman. Second round. Alam mo kasi, iba yan eh. It's not sensitive. You're just insensitive. Sino yon? Si Simon. I'm Simon B. Hello. Eva, Miss Eva, Mincy Fresh. Ikaw, Eva. From the iconic Untucked episode ng season 1, episode 2. To do ang
Aga pa
design
na natin
challenge.
nalasing.
Ang aga nating nagwala at nag-away-away doon. Okay. Simon B, thank you.
Si Simon, hello.
Kilala mo siya?
Oo, I think I've met Simon. Unless ibang Simon yung naaalala ko.
Well, at least na-meet mo si Simon. Okay. Thank you. Ngayon, next round. Eva, last na to.
Ito na yung internalization ko. Ano to, yung method acting eh.
Go. Patingin.
Kasi, di ba, thankful ako kay God kasi, di ba, binigyan niya ako ng gantong mukha. Ang ganda-ganda ko.
Sobrang sarap.
Sino yan? Okay. Angel. Si Aphrodite ang unang nanalo.
Aphrodite.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Goddess ang nanalo.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Bongga, thank you. I-post nyo na yan, i-tweet nyo na yan. Let's go to our next segment. It's called Say Mo Sis.
Same as
We will flash photos or videos ng mga moments and important events in your life and career na nahukay
wow.
namin online.
Ay,
So,
nakakatawa naman ako.
ngayon-
may damit ba ako dun sa...
Ano na?
May damit ba ako dun sa mga...
May mga damit
Baka
ka na.
maglabas kayo ng thirst trap ko dyan, nakakaloka. Yung mga nagpapasarap akong ganyan, yung sasama
Pwede din.
nyo.
Tingnan na,
Nakakaloka.
malalaman natin. Oo. The mechanics are simple. We will flash videos or photos on the screen and tell us kung sino or anong klase ng hero or villain
Mhm.
yung pinakabagay na magde-describe nung moment na yon or nung situation na nandun sa photo or video. Ready?
Hero or villain. Okay.
Okay, game.
Go.
Say mo, Eva. Singapore Polytechnic Graduation 2019.
Ay, wow.
Our graduates, our pride.
Yes.
When was this? Ano muna? Superhero or a villain that best describe them?
Professor X.
Professor X naka-nails sa
Naka-nails.
graduation. Ang taray!
Meron pang version yan na nakastiletto ako.
Alala!
Kasi nakastiletto ako. Professor X kasi ang taas ng hairline ko dyan. Hindi, pero parang I take pride na parang even, I think nagda-drag na ako nitong panahon na to eh. But, you know, even with drag, I wanted to have something that I will be proud of. This is my second degree. I'm from Bachelor of Science of Nursing. I took this for 2 years. I converted it to a marketing, sa ano kasi sa Singapore pwede yun eh, you convert your diploma to a business degree. So yeah, ayun lang, I'm so proud kasi ako nagpaaral sa sarili ko dyan.
Oo. Like, gano'ng katagal ka sa Singapore? First studying lang talaga or like you moved there to work?
I moved there to work muna. I worked there for 8 years. And then on my last 2 years, nung nakaipon-ipon na ako, syempre, medyo mahalang school doon, mahalang mag-college doon. So parang pinag-aral ko ulit yung sarili ko. And parang, yes, it's me.
Aww, I love it. Diba? Nakaka-proud.
Thank you, sis.
Ilang taon ka nung time na yun? If you don't mind. Excuse me.
Hindi, pero ano na ako niyan? That was 2019. So, ano ba ngayon? 2024. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. So that's 5 years ago. I'm already 31.
31 ka lang ba ngayon? Ano, nung
36,
time na yun?
oo.
31, yeah.
Mga 30, 31, ganyan.
Oo,
Even
oo.
at your 30s, parang ang magandang takeaway dyan is that at any given point in your life, you're never too young or too old to do
achieve.
what you want.
Yeah,
Yes.
true. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Same as it. Ay, oh my God!
Ang ganda ng wig!
Ano yung pinaperform mo dyan?
Ewan ko, tungkol ata sa global warming or something. And then that's a Dua Lipa song. I think that's one of my first few numbers talaga when I became a resident drag queen in Singapore. Sa Peaches Club in Orchard. So, grabe, everything was DIY before. Pati yung mga stickers na yan, parang ako lang yung naggupit niyan. Yung buhok niyan, tinry ko lang mag-tease and look at that, parang nagka-cringe man ako minsan tignan yung sarili ko. I also take pride in it. Na parang, kasi yung panahon na yan, wala namang nagtuturo sa akin how to do it. YouTube lang. I didn't have my own house until quite later on. And I was the first Filipino queen to have a residency in a club in Singapore at that time. And that was less than parang just a little over a year lang of doing drag. So parang may future talaga ako sa drag scene.
Pero like before that, saan and kailan yung first exposure mo to drag? Like dito ba sa Pilipinas, alam mo na may drag queens or may mga drag performances na? Or dito mo lang sa Singapore na-discover?
Napapanood ko na kayo, syempre. Napapanood ko na kayo.
Okay, before
And sa tuwing umuwi ako, every now and then umuwi ako, lagi ako nag-o-bar. Lagi ako may picture with sila MC, sila Kat, ganyan. And then, when I started doing drag, parang sumali lang ako sa amateur drag competition in 2017 in Singapore. Wala lang, for fun lang. And I finished first runner-up, 0 experience.
Wow!
Diba? With that crusty ass makeup talaga and with everything that parang talaga siya, charm. And I think the joy of doing drag.
Mhm.
Yung sobrang wala kang gagawing mali. I always say that as a drag queen, wala akong gagawing mali.
Yeah.
Ganyan. So when the Olats din naman ako, eventually natalo ako. But the promoters and the club owners started sourcing me. And parang booking me here and there. I get the nice gigs sa Singapore and then that. And I worked my way to getting that residency talaga.
Wow.
So parang, okay, I did my connections, I did my PR.
Of course,
Ganyan.
networking.
If you wanna do something, if you really want something, no? Talagang,
Tatrabahuhin mo.
siya.
Oo.
Exactly.
Walang madali sa pagda-drag.
Yes.
Well, so kung ito ay anong hero or villain yung moment din or that version of you back at that time?
Oo nga pala. Since nasa X-Men na tayo, no? Feeling ko, Jubilee.
Meron bang Jubilee?
Oo, yung fireworks yung powers lang niya.
Ah.
Tsaka bagets siya.
Bagets pa kasi.
Siya yung bagets dun sa 90s version. Parang siya yung pinakabata dun sa mga na yun. I think it was that. Medyo bagets and medyo like reckless and just, having fun.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Eva. Now,
Yes.
let's go to our next one.
Bata mo pa, panot ka na. Ha? Saan pa? Ho? Bago ka lang dito. Kung ikaw, bitch, ako, super bitch. Di ka mahal ng mama mo. Wala kang tapusin yan. Nakakaloka yung tsura ni Eva.
Okay, sino bang superhero yung that comes in pairs? Super twins? Or sino pa mga twins na
Nagdo-duet.
sino ba nagdo-duet pa Julio at Julia? Ang luma! Oo. Sino? Shark Boy and Lava Girl.
Ay.
Sino pa? Sino pang mga yung mga kambal?
Ito yung recently, si Deadpool at saka si Wolverine.
Mga ganon. Like any duo that you can think of. That's
Okay.
probably that. Super twins.
How's your friendship with Marina Summers?
Okay naman. Actually, bumisita siya sa akin kanina sa
Mhm.
condo. It's my first time that we saw each other. Nanghiram siya sa akin ng boa feathers. Pero she's on her way to Singapore to do a
Okay.
show.
Oo.
So parang,
Paano kayo naging friends? Like, paano mo siya nakilala?
actually, yung friendship namin ni Marina, sa Nectar. Siya yung bagong salta lang siya nun sa Nectar. And then, ako parang, nyora-nyora na ako nun as Nectarine. Kasi dati sa Nectar, not everyone earns the title Nectarine.
Yeah.
I had to audition and earn my right to call myself a Nectarine for 6 months
Mhm.
before ako officially natawag na Nectarine. So medyo talagang may yung pangalan
May
na
power
Nectarine.
yon.
Correct. So not everyone that performs on weekends are called Nectarines.
Yeah.
So parang bago lang si Marina noon. And at that time, medyo maingay yung pangalan niya sa Twitter. Kasi marami nang wawarla sa kanya nung nagsisimula si Marina.
Maraming
Oo.
tumataas ang kilay.
Oo,
Nung
maraming-
time na nagsistart siya.
Nagsa-start siya because she's really good and gays will be gays. And divas will be divas. Don't wish to be out-diva. Talagang medyo winawarla siya ng mga tao, no? So parang one day lang na parang sabi, nag-i-impake na kami after a Saturday, I think. I invited her parang, sis, gusto mo mag-breakfast?
Aha.
Yeah, and then we had our first breakfast together. And I was telling her na parang wag ka magpa-pressure kasi na siya nun, nilalaban siya sa drug cartel.
Mm-mm.
Don't think about the crowd. Don't think about the winning. Parang just enjoy and perform from the heart.
Mhm.
Parang lang. And then, from then, naging mas maamo siya sa akin. Kasi dati yan si Marina, ang pag nag-makeup kami, lang yan, AirPods.
Oo.
Tapos makeup lang siya, tahimik lang siya sa gilid. Hindi niya kami nakos. Ingay-ingay namin nila Vinyas, di ba?
Oo.
Si Vinyas ako, si
Andy.
Taylor Shish, si
Si
Andy.
Mac. Oo.
Oo, talaga nagbabatuhan kami ng basurahan. Ganun kami. Sobrang riot namin.
Sisi sa backstage.
Ang saya sa backstage. Tapos si Marina so tahimik lang siya. And parang I just reached out to her. And then from that breakfast, it became parang a thing. And then we went on, parang lalaon yun na kami.
Mhm.
And then pandemic happened. We stick with each other. Ako, I just have like a very entrepreneurial business vision to drag. Siya kasi producer siya sa in a TV show.
Mhm.
So parang siya yung lahat ng visions ko for Playhouse, siya yung nag-execute sa posters.
Paano bubuuhin?
Oo, OBS, lahat ng technicalities and ganyan. Kaya parang ang ganda-ganda yung mga Zoom parties namin. Talagang siya yung creative side nung business side ng drag. So we have like this really beautiful bonding. Like, of course, there's OV, there's Prince. Pero primarily, it was me and Marina that really built Playhouse from the ground up. Na parang lahat ng mga visions namin. And bigay hilig kami sa pangarap ng isa't isa. Gusto mo maglabas ng single? Go. Inaway ka ni Silhouette, asa na yan? Parang ganun eh. Parang ganun yung naging relationship namin. And everything, like ganun din siya sa akin. I think that's why what I was saying earlier na parang sa mga gustong magsimulang mag-drag, find a sister like Marina or find a sister like Eva na talagang susuportahan ka.
Sister.
Just find a sister. No, don't just find any sister because there are bitches who will go, oh my God, can I say that? Kasi may mga tao who will call them sisters but will only support you to a point that as long as you don't outshine them. There will be sisters like that. And kahit hindi drag scene like anywhere, may mga taong they will support you as long as you don't outshine them. But find a sister who will really be there for you.
Yeah, to support you and push you. Congratulations, sis.
You have din naman. You have your divine
naman.
sisters.
I'm so happy to hear that na ganun yung naging start, di ba? Hindi nyo alam, yung sister ninyo katabi nyo na pala sa dressing room. Kailangan nyo lang iyain ng breakfast. And everything will be history.
Ay, actually, correct.
Pala nyo kayo, pala ang totoong maging mag-best friend. Or siya pala yung sister nyo yung nahanap.
And you might even reach a point that you will be both international besties.
Right!
This global friendship. Di ba?
Pati friendship.
Oo, diba?
Pati ng friendship. Ang bongga. Okay, next one. Same as it.
Rufa May Quinto! Welcome to Snatch Game, Rufa May.
Yes, salamat Kuya Will. And hi guys, my name is Rufa May Quinto, also known as Quinto.
Ay, sound si Edit. Kamusta naman
Meron
yan,
na tayo-
sis? Your very iconic Snatch Game performance.
Yeah.
Sino sa tingin mo? Sino ang superhero mo? Ay! Superhero!
Okay. Ang superhero ko dyan, since nasa X-Men pa rin tayo, no? Ano to? Phoenix. Like, legendary level siya.
Like, totoo.
Girl, hindi pa. Yes. Pero legendary level kasi siya eh. Like, diba nga? Yes. Parang nakatatlong 3 seasons down. And when you say Snatch Game Drag Race Philippines, it's still Tampal Puke.
Yes!
Yeah, I may not have won that episode, pero in the heart of the people,
Right. True.
legendary level siya.
Saan ang galing itong humorous side ni Eva the Queen? Like from a very opulent and grandeur branding. Paano bilang merong bakle, ano to? May bale ng humorous na Eva the Queen.
Magandang tanong yan, ano?
Paano mo siya na-discover? Okay, kailangan magkasama sila. Hindi pwedeng one lang.
Actually, ako kasi I believe na drag, to put it simply, drag is the art of selling a fantasy.
Right.
So parang ako, ang fantasy ni Jace, which is the boy behind Eva, is magmukhang maganda, mayaman, parang luxurious, opulent. Yun yung fantasy ko. That fills me. That makes me feel, yes. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But the humor is yung talagang pakawalang humor. That's really who I am.
Kanal humor talaga.
I am so unhinged. Like if you've seen the first episode of Global All-Stars, you already know how unhinged my mind is. Like people can't even connect the dots ng parang paanong may nagsaing, may lumabas na Charizard tapos hindi nasaksak yung rice cooker. Paano mo naisip na magandang talent yan? I was like, I don't think. I'm just really that really unhinged, stupid humor has always been in me. Like parang outside drag, masaya akong kainuman.
Yeah.
I'm just really a very happy person.
I am in a place of parang wala akong masyadong sub-stories pero baliw talaga ako.
Oo.
And I love it. That's part of who I am. I'm crazy. I'm horny. I'm everything.
I think part naman yun ng Filipino drag. Like
Yes.
talagang ever since style na natin yung magpatawa, alam mo yun, lahat talaga gawin. Baklain.
Yeah, yung salitang tampalpuki. Diba? Sa lahat ng bagay na maaalala mo sa memory mo, no? In all your years of
May word na
existence.
nag-i-exist na
Naalala mo yung tampalpuki. Pero ano pa yun?
At isda.
Isda. Kasi naalala mo, di ba, nung nag-film tayo ng Snatch Game, tayo yung first two eh.
First row. Yeah, magkatabi tayo.
But, so tuwing magbabato si Kuya Pao ng Snatch Game niya, una ikaw. So you have like barely 20 seconds to think.
True.
Tapos pag maiksi yung sagot mo, patay tayo dyan. Tampalpuke.
Oo, pabilisin mag-isip
Humugot
talaga.
lang ako ng memory talaga na parang, oh my God, hindi ko nga siya ni-rehearse. It's just a memory of something funny that I remembered.
Iconic. Exciting ang season 3 Snatch Game.
Oh my God, yes.
Ang dami
I
ko nang
can't wait.
naririnig. So I think it's gonna be another iconic episode ng season 3.
Correct.
Okay. Next one, sis. Say
Look
more.
around you. That's ugly. And I'm being fierce because I know you can do better. And I'm being hard because I have seen what you can do. And this is trash.
How is that? Ibalik mo kami dun sa pakiramdam mo nung time na yan and how did you like cope up or like how did it help you?
Dali, anong hero-villain siya?
Anong hero and
Teka.
villain? Anong villain na lang sila?
Hindi. Sabi nila dito, I think, sino ba? Ano bang, ko dyan? Siguro, Elsa? Elsa? Hindi kasi tinan mo yung itsura ko dyan, very stone cold eh. Like parang Grace under pressure. At that time when Raha was hurling those words, hindi naman siya Thanos. Sabi Thanos. Yeah.
Dr. Penguin.
Dr. Penguin. At the time na Raho was hurling those words, hindi naman siya nag-sink in sa akin eh. Like, hindi pa siya talaga, hindi ko siya masyado nadadigest pa. Hindi siya nagsisink in at that time. So, parang, trash talaga ba? Okay naman ako Parang, my brain, I am a very, very self-aware person. And my brain really knows its workings. It knows how to defend itself and how it, The breakdown started when we were backstage. Pagdating ko nga ng workroom, una ko nakita yung chicharong bulaklak. Parang, ay, ang sarap. Parang, yun yung una kong reaction na, ay, may chicharong bulaklak. I love it. And then, nung mag-glue down na ako ng lace ko, and I saw myself in the mirror. And that's when it hit na, ay, ito yung tinawag niyang basura. And that's when I lost it. Na parang, oh my goodness. Parang, ito, basura. And I did this with so much passion. Talagang hinabi ko isa-isa yung Ang pagkakamali ko lang is hindi ko kasize yung manikin. Kasi nung sinuot ko, sabi lang, ay, labas yung pem-pem ko. Parang may
tinagawa.
Oo. It's not the dress, it's the mannequin.
It's you.
It's never the dress. It's
Yung
the
mannequin yung trash.
It's the mannequin. Salbahing production. Ang liliit. Lahat sila size Marina.
Size nga daw ni Yudi Puta.
Diba?
Yung mga mannequin dati.
Oo, ang ninipis. Pati kay Turi. Kawawa naman. Diba? But, I made that dress kasi with so much passion eh. And that's what's heartbreaking is that hindi pala lahat ng bagay sa mundo na when you pour your heart and soul into it, it will receive the recognition and the acknowledgement that you wish will nakapantay nung passion na inilabas mo. And how many times that a lot of people felt represented in that? Kasi alam ng lahat na talagang nag-spray paint ako. Kahit saan, pinagpuyatan ko yun and everything. Tapos basura lang to sa tingin niyo. Ayos
Pero tingnan niyo
Ayos
naman,
to.
because of that moment, nagkaroon ng another another episode ng season 2 at saka nitong
Diba?
Diba? Trashon! Iconic! Diba? Ganun lang naman.
Icons only.
Icons only talaga ang mga season 1 queens. Okay, next one sis. Etong, hi Leah, thank you. Ayun sa pa the brand, kokok and hugs.
I
Thank you
love
so much. Okay, next one sis.
Ay, oh my God.
Papa and Mama La Queen at Global Domination Premier Viewing Party in Red Carpet. How's your relationship with your parents? Were they very supportive from the beginning?
Yes. From the very beginning, hindi. The first time they saw me in drag was on national TV when we did that Iba Yan episode.
Oh, yeah, yung may oo.
Angel, that was during the pandemic. Yung sinisimulan na namin yung mga ganap ng Playhouse.
Yes.
And Miss Angel picked it up, wanted to help us. So they mounted a show and then we got, parang nangolekta kami sa mga artista. Tapos pinamigay namin sa mga Rapture, Obar, Nectar,
Ay,
all
queens
the
na
mga
nawalan ng
clubs,
work.
mga queens and the friends of the nightlife industry. Yung guard, waiter, servers, ayan, dinistribute natin yan. Tapos yun yung first time nila akong makita in drag. Tapos, nakakaloka yun kasi in-interview sila. Pero hindi sinabi ng ate ko na para yan sa pagdadrag niya. So parang ang alam lang ng mga magulang ko, meron ginagawang charity yan si JC. Sige, mag-advise, ano tayo. So nagpa-interview sila, parang, we're very proud of you. We're just here to support you. Ganyan. Tapos nung napanood nila yung episode,
Ano
first
sabi?
nakita nila ako nakadamit babae. Alam mo yung parang, tapos yun yung edit without them knowing. Para silang hinold up on national TV into accepting my drag. That was so awkward. Like, magkakasama kami sa isang bahay noong panahon ng pandemic. Parang halos isang buwan kami hindi nag-usap ng nanay ko. Tapos nandun na siya sa kabilang kwarto Tapos piniem pa niya ako sa Facebook. Sabi niya, nakakapasensya na pero hindi ko kayang tanggapin yung drag mo. And I was like, okay lang. Alam ko naman, hindi ko naman ipipilit. Huwag niyo lang akong pigilan kasi wala naman akong ginagawang masama.
Yeah.
So, when I was preparing for Drag Race Philippines, siguro naririnig niya na nang umutang ako ng pera sa mga ano ko.
Or pinaririnig mo rin talaga?
Hindi naman. Kasi alam ko nga na ayaw niya So parang hindi ko pinaparinig sa kanya na parang nagpe-prepare ako sa Drag Race Philippines. So parang, okay, hindi na ako lalapit sa kanila. Ganyan. Siguro narinig niya sa kabilang kwarto. Tapos sabi niya, ano ba yung i-feel mo na TV show, ganyan. Kailangan mo ba ng pera? Ko, oo. Tapos lumabas siya ng may daladalang envelope. Tapos ito, pension ko yan And that was, and that was malaking halaga. That was around, at that time, parang 50,000 siya. Nakalaman ng envelope. So parang, ang laki noon at that time, pandemic. Tapos parang, ayun. And then, panood niya yung Drag Race Philippines, na-digest na niya ano yung ginagawa ko. Parang hindi, it's not what you think. Hindi ako like, well, minsan, pakawala ako, pero
Pero kasi ko hindi kami pakawala. Minsan lang
minsan
siguro.
lang pag bilugang buwan or something. Pero beyond that, parang we're doing something higher than that. And then appreciate niya. That picture was during the premiere. That was the very, very first time that they saw me perform.
So ever since kahit before nung season natin, hindi sila nanonood.
Oo, di sila nanonood. Bumisita lang sila ng Okada nung finale, pero parang yun lang. They just saw me in drag. Wala pa kaming picture. Kasi ang
hindi naman tayo
gulo-gulo.
nag-perform nun
Oo, wala. Parang pop of ate lang. Parang may ma-perform lang. Ganyan. Pero ito, and I performed Impossible Dream during my premiere and my mom was crying.
Aww.
And nung nagpa-picture na kami, talagang basang-basa pa yung mata niya. And she looked at me in the eye and she said, ang galing-galing mo.
Love you, Mama La Queen.
Yes. One of my proudest moments in life talaga. It was not even RuPaul calling me epic or fantastic. It was my mom looking at me in the eye and saying, ang galing-galing mo. Like, oh my God, we've reached it. We've come so far.
Yun talaga yung ng success.
Oo.
Making your parents proud of what you do.
Correct. Like in cis terms, para akong kinasal nung araw na yun. Ganun yung level ng milestone ng buhay.
Okay, so sino namang if you're gonna compare them or like to a hero or a villain, siguro hero, no?
Okay.
Hero na lang, sis. Kung hero ang parents mo, who are they?
Hero. Kung hero ang parents ko, who would they be? I think they would be, they would be Myrna and Bernie, which is their real name. I think they're already heroes in their own right.
Aww.
Parang
Love you. Love you. Love you po. Thank you so much. Okay,
Yes.
next one. Say mo, sis.
Hoy, ano ba yan? Ang sexy
Okay.
naman yan. May amoy lang. Eme,
Sino superhero yan siya? Grabe naman yan.
ano siya? Mystique. Yes!
Mystique.
Someone said it. Mystique.
Obaderas Latia.
Mystique. Na parang, hindi, si Mystique kasi, she comes from a place of insecurity eh. Diba? Kaya nga siya nagta-transform eh. There was a time na parang, tama ba? Nag-iimbento ako ng storyline ni Mystique dito.
Pwede naman.
Hindi, pero there was a time
From
na
your
parang,
understanding of the movie, di
oo,
ba?
hindi siya masyado confident sa form niya as So, she takes on different forms, ganyan. Kasi na-insecure siya dun sa mutant form niya, ganyan. And there was a time that I was like that, you know? And parang, yung katawan pa nalalakihan ako sa tiyan ko, mukha akong butete, ganyan. And then, until I took the
Wait,
courage.
ikaw o si Mystique?
Pareho kami, mukha siyang butete. Mukha siyang butete. Ano kasi, malakas kasi uminom yan
Oy,
si
grabe,
Mystique.
ang
Oo.
lala ng moment na to when you released this photo and yung performance mo, your new body, nandun ako nun yung roast.
Yes.
Grabe, ang powerful nung nun ha, nang ginawa mo na yun.
And
Bongga
ang
yun,
din,
inspiring.
pagod din siya, tsaka lots of pain. Pero you know, like I said earlier, at any given point in your life, if you want to change anything, you want to change your financial status, you want to change your body, you want to do, like if it's within your capacity to do it, go. Grab it by the balls and like seize the opportunity. Diba?
Yeah,
I
and
got-
it was successful. Body positivity. Miss Eva
Walang
Lacquin.
padding.
Walang padding, walang
corset, walang
stockings.
stockings, walang brief. Char. Na, meron.
Meron naman. Pero naka-brief.
Naka-brief.
Okay, next one. Say mo. Ay, last na ba yun? Oh my God, we're down to that last part na pala. Okay, ngayon pumunta na tayo sa next game natin. Ito, pinakamasayang part to. It's called the speed dial. The mechanics are very easy if you're familiar with the prank calling.
Okay.
Basic lang to sa'yo. So, tatawagan mo ang isang good old friend mo and ipa-prank natin siya
Okay.
with our possible prompts here.
Sige.
It's
Same
either one,
telepono
na-scam
ko.
ako ng 50,000 worth of wigs by La Queen, or mangungutang ka ng 50,000 or 100,000 by your level. Gusto mong tawagan si Michelle Visage or si Alyssa Edwards. Baka gising sila ngayon. Or si Queen Kong. Tawagan mo na yan, sis.
Teka.
One call lang to.
Sige, one ko lang. Ano yung cellphone ko na? Ayan. Tignan natin. Ila-loudspeaker. Kailangan ba siyang i-loudspeaker? Naku. Paano ba mag-loudspeaker ng ano?
Hi, thank you, Ate Leah. You're watching. Thank
Nag-check
you.
ng email no? Teka lang.
Nagtrabaho muna.
Nag-NIMP no?
Ning.
Sige, tignan natin kung sasagot si Marina.
Go.
Sige. Ganito na lang. Kunwari, i-book natin si Marina for a gig.
Aha.
Tapos ang bayad niya, shout out lang. Tignan natin kung papayag sa shout out.
Let's see. We will find
Let's
out.
see. Pwede ba tumawag using messenger?
Yes.
Ayan. Naku, tingnan natin kung sasagot siya. Ay, loudspeaker.
Hello?
Sis, nasa ka?
Yes. Nasa bahay. Nag-impake.
Game pake.
Makain.
Taray. Sis, may favor ako. Yun sa show natin with Plastic Tiara sa October. Di ba, ano na siya, confirmed na siya. May isa pa siyang leg sa Singapore. Gusto mo sumama?
Anong date?
A day before, parang 2 days before yung so October 10 tayo. Parang October 8.
Ano naman?
Kelly.
Basta may visa ha?
May visa. Oo naman, te. Yung ito lang yung sana, te. Yun sa budget kasi. Pero okay ka kung shout out lang, te.
Okay lang kung sasampalin ko lang din ito sa buong performance ko. Okay lang sa'yo.
Sis, prank lang to. Dito si Briggs.
Hi, sis. Mag-video tayo. Hello. Hi! Hi, sis! Hi, sis. Get well soon!
Get well soon, Marina.
Aba. Ay, siya. Oh, nice to see you. Hi, Paul. Grabe, hardworking queen. Tuloy-tuloy.
Pagaling ka, sis. Love you.
Bye, ah.
Paano nga ako ng tissue na?
Oo. Ibang level talaga ang Marina Summers. Mananampal.
Oo,
Hindi pwede walang bayad.
Okay lang, basta
naman.
ang performance lang doon niya, sasampal-sampalin ako. Kanina,
Thank you.
sabi ko, best friends kami. Ganun siya sa akin.
Thank you sa Communiverse, Aprilicious. Maraming salamat. Sis, pwede ba ako mag-excuse? Ihina ako.
Go. Ako muna
Kaya na
dito.
ba ako namimilipit dito?
Ako muna dito.
Oo, please, ikaw na bahala. Rock bashin mo na ako. Kung gusto mo, ilabas mo na yan. Go.
Ayan, so habang umihi siya, nagpupunas ako ng pawis. So since naipa-plug ko na rin, guys, Plastic Tiara is coming to the Philippines. This is her one night only event here in October. So please, you can buy your tickets at tinyurl.com/PlastiqueAsiaTour. Tickets are still on sale. And, minsan lang magkaroon ng global, diba? Me, Marina, and Plastique in one show, plus some more. And also, we'll be having more of your season 3 favorites to join us there. In fair kay Marina Palaban, sabi ni Naytiri. Diba? Sobrang palaban. Nananampal nagsusuka na yan sa pagod, pero mananampal siya. Pero let's wish her well. I think she's recuperating na. And okay siya. OMG, nakaabot pa. Yes. So, ano pa ba? Also, pwede ba ako mag-plug dito habang wala sa ano? Yes. So, it's my show. The brand. Pero alam nyo, in fairness, I love how Briggs really owned it, that brag. Alam mo, di ba? And medyo guilty ako dyan kasi ako yung nagsimula ng conversation about drag. A brand. It was during Untucked. No one has talked about brands in drag in any franchise until I brought up the conversation. And it was sabi ko pa nun, it wasn't something, it was consistency with the brand. Yun yung exact words ko. So, nakakatuwa na now she has turned it into an actual brand, an actual show, and all of you are enjoying it, di ba? So, yes. Ang ganda mo, Mother Eva. Thank you. Makakasanayan nyo rin yan. Di ba? This is the face of Global All-Stars. Di ba? Inyo na yung talent. Akin yung ganda. Ay, nanalo pala ako ng talent show. Sorry. Akin din pala yung talent and beauty. Talent, beauty, and brains. Nagbuhat naman ako masyado ng bangka ko rito. Face card. This is the global face card. So I would like to thank Lift Aesthetic Clinic and Montenola Clinic for this global ready hardware. Yun yung tawag ko sa kanya. Ayan na siya. Ay, ang ganda ng outfit mo, sis. Who are you wearing?
This is Jaja Gabunal.
Jaja Gabunal. Wow, gorge. Yes.
Divine Diva sa YouTube and Spotify and all streaming platforms worldwide. Ilang litro ang madami-dami. Medyo
Kinateter
alakas ka
kasi
magtubig
siya.
ngayon.
Nakakateter pa siya.
Alakas ka magtubig ngayon. Wow.
I love it. Also, please stream, wala lang, yung talent portion ko. Avatar, The Last Rice Bender, now showing.
Oo. Nasa YouTube mo.
On YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Buy and sell. Panoorin nyo na lang. It's everywhere.
Okay.
Yan.
Game. How are you, sis? Thank you.
Ay, inom pa tayo. Cheers, sis! Cheers! Yan. Pulutan! Saan yung pulutan?
Okay, let's go to our next set. It's all about branding, where we get to know you more and the Comunizens and the Tampalpukians na mas makilala pa kung sino nga ba ang nag-iisang Evil Queen at kung ano nga ba ang story behind ng kanyang unique brand. We learned from your Meet the Queens video from Drag Race Philippines Season 1 that ever since you were a kid, fascinated ka na talaga sa mga Evil Queens.
Yes.
Kaya nabuo mo yung pangalan mong drag name na Eva La Queen. Can you tell us more about it, sis?
So, nung nagsistart pa lang ako ng drag from, pre-Marcos era. Pre-EDSA Revolution. Hindi. So, ano ba yan? Naka-ano na ako. Kung ano-ano na yung lumalabas sa bibig ko. Ito na yung unhinged era ko. So, cheers! Cheers.
Ganda ng tanong. Very basic, di ba? How did you get the name?
Correct. Ano lang, sabi lang sa akin, kung mag-iisip daw ako ng drag name, dapat something na a persona that I would want to, emulate. And at that time, nanonood kasi ako nung series, yung Once Upon a Time.
Yes!
Di ba? Si Regina, si Mayor Mills.
Ay, yung
Yung
nasa isip ko yung Once Upon a Time yung tuwing linggo.
Once,
Yung mga 90s
hindi
kid.
hindi Once Upon a Time. Once Upon a Time.
Sorry, Once Upon a Time kasi, Pinoy, di ba? Di ba? Okay.
Yeah, tapos
yung
parang
series.
yung series na yun kasi it's like parang it's a new take of the fairy tales that we know. And then ayun, na-fascinate lang ako sa character ni Evil Queen kasi parang meron siyang redemption arc and it's like parang Evil Queen kasi is like she was in search of love. Parang lots of the evil queens and the villains that are just princesses that were never saved. They just have a different take. They're more human. They're more hurt version of the Disney princesses that we know. So parang feeling ko lang, mas nakaka-relate ako doon. And I love their fashion. Kaya kahit nung bata ako, ang gusto ko pag naglalaro kami ng Power Rangers, Rita Repulsa.
Yung kalabang
gusto ko kontrabida ako. Pag maglalaro kami, ako yung salbahe. Ganyan. So I always had that fascination in dark female energy.
Oh, di ba? Very pero nung umpisa pa lang, when you're still figuring out your drag or nagsistart ka na, talagang Evil Queen na.
Oo, Evil Queen lang talaga. Like, alam mo
okay.
yung mga contact lenses ni Ovi Kant?
Yes.
Ganun yung mga
white.
contacts ko dati. Like, Spook Queen. Like, lagi ako may bungo, laging dark, laging black, laging nakakatakot, pero maganda. Pero nakakatakot. Laging mga ganun yung mga amats ko.
Okay. So, paano naman from Evil Queen, paano ka naman nag-come up sa evangelism? Kasi di ba pagka, parang ang cute lang nung
yung transition.
Nung thought na parang Evil Queen, pero yung title ng show mo is Evangelism with Evil Queen. I love it!
Correct. Kasi how will I say this? Like, yung visuals kasi ni Eva talaga, it evolves Yeah. You know what? That's what I always, not naman always, pero parang some of the advice that I give queens nowadays is like, lalo na kung baby queen ka pa lang, stop being so fixated about brand. Kasi drag is an art form. It's a form of art. Parang you can't, if you're a painter, hindi pwedeng gusto mo lang gusto mo lang pencil lang ang gagamitin mo the entire time. There are so many other ways to enjoy and explore and discover and fall in love with drag.
Right.
As an art form, visual performance-wise, I have tried so many different iterations of Evil Queen.
Yeah.
From Spook Queen to Door Diva to Madam to Tampal Puke to anything unhinged pop star. I've tried all of them before I found ito muna ako.
For now. Oh,
For
parang-
now. But even so, this is not the only thing that I can do. At times na gusto kong magsayaw, magsasayaw ako. Di ba? Ngayon na. Ngayon na. Di ba? I can be a comedy queen. I can be unhinged. I mean, because that's what drag is.
Yeah. The artist should not be defined by one or two or three specific words to define you. Like, especially in drag, di ba? Sobrang
Totoo.
laki ng spectrum ng drag, the art form
Totoo.
itself.
And
Diba?
parang don't get so fixated about being consistent to it. Kasi parang you're missing out on a lot of the fun and
Right.
the things that you are yet to discover about
Right.
your drag kung sobrang fixated ka sa drag.
I mean, tulad ng Coca-Cola, hindi naman nila nabuo yung brand nila in a year or two. Or Rome was
Correct.
not built in 1 year.
right. But
Diba?
also more importantly, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years is not even
Even Taylor Swift.
Even
Kailangan
Taylor
niya
Swift.
gumawa ng iba't ibang eras of her career.
Exactly. Madonna has reinvented herself so many times. Don't be bound by brand or consistency with a brand.
Because the brand is really your name and who you are, how you authentically present yourself.
Exactly. You
Yes!
are the brand. You are
You
the
are
brand.
the brand. Okay, next one. Ano naman, may mga nagtatanong from Xlandia.
Uh-huh.
Have you ever considered quitting drag?
Kanina. Ang bilis. I think yes, I do. And, I'm already 36. I'm turning 37 this year.
Mhm.
I'm sure that I will come to a point in my life where parang I'm gonna, put the hat, wear something else, wear another hat, and do something else. But for now, kasi it's still, bukod sa it pays the bills very, very well. It also keeps me makes me wake up in the morning and, it fills me with so much passion. Pero medyo may edad na rin talaga tong katawan na to. So medyo nakakaramdam.
Marami nang nagawa.
Oo,
Marami
Diyos
nang
ko.
nangyari sa
Nakakaramdam
katawang
na
yan.
siya ng pagod. Props to Tita Baby for,
For surviving one
I
lip
feel
sync.
represented, seen. Tita Baby for representing us with that Lazartan, Amlodipine,
Lola Remedios.
Lola Remedios era. But, there will come a time that I'm sure, probably giving it 5 more years siguro. But in my trajectory, I want to stay in the background, be in the production, and, hold the door for the next generation of beautiful, talented Filipino queens.
I think, ginagawa na natin yan ngayon pa lang, di ba?
Yes.
Ever since after season 1, parang hindi kasi nag-end sa atin yung yung hindi pwedeng sa atin mag-end yung career or yung fame na binigay sa atin ng Drag Race Philippines.
Exactly.
Kailangan talaga siyang ipasa, i-share. Kasi what's the point of being the pioneers if you're not gonna open opportunities for others to experience what you experienced?
Exactly. And you let them experience drag in a more elevated, in a way na hindi nyo na kailangan pagdaanan yung mga pinagdaanan namin before.
Yeah.
Hindi mo na kailangan magpabuli sa mga clubs. Hindi mo na kailangan
Did you experience that?
Medj. Oo.
Yeah, ako din.
Diba?
Like, na-experience ko yan. Bullies from mga kasama mo sa bar. Backstage talaga, iba talaga.
Correct.
Guys, iba.
Correct.
So ang swerte ng mga baby queens ngayon na mapagalitan lang ng kaunti, matalakan lang for being late or for not wearing what they were told to wear. Girl, wake up.
Yes. Pero hindi naman siya sa diba? Kasi ayokong ganun eh. Yung parang, minsan pag sinasabi ng nanay na parang, naku, nung panahon namin, wala kayo sa ganyan. It's not that. It's because, tama we are pioneers for a reason. And a lot of things opened up for us when it was our turn. And now it's our turn to, share it to more people. Diba? Parang, we want to help sustain drag. It's not just gonna be another TV show. It's gonna be an industry. It's
Right.
going to be a sustainable career option for young queers. We want-
It's part of the evolution of drag in the Philippines to really pass it on and build the future of drag.
Correct. Alam mo sis, like when I was in, nag-show ako sa LA, New York, would you believe na mas maganda pa yung treatment ng drag queens dito sa Pilipinas than in the US?
Talaga?
Oo, kasi dito sa Pilipinas, at least we have decent dressing rooms. We queens are like celebrated, and doon parang there was a time na nagbibihis na ako sa likod ng kitchen. And kasama ko yung ibang Ru girls like
Yeah.
like big names, Jimbo Taze, Envy Peruz, parang doon kasi parang they just okay, part
Bahala ka
and
dyan,
bark
oo.
lang na parang perform ka, kuha kang tips, alis ka na.
Yeah.
Dito, we have an actual ecosystem. We have fans, we have supporters.
We have assistants, may social media manager.
I know, that's why even nakita mo yung contents ng season 3, sobra.
Pasabog.
Right? In comparison, it pales in comparison yung mga counterparts natin. Parang yung mga may pera lang ang nakakagawa ng magandang content.
Yeah.
Ito, even baby queens have like merch.
Right.
Like, we have created this system, and it was through the support of all these loving
And
fans.
Kumu, supporting
Kumu.
all of us, providing us a drag show online.
Brands, companies in the Philippines talagang take chances in drag. Doon, sa bar lang. You don't see a lot of them. Unless you're Alyssa Edwards or you're a big, some big shot name. You don't really get endorsements.
Right.
in
Hindi, kaya
companies.
nga sobrang taas ng expectations sa mga baby queens dito sa Philippines kasi you really have, lahat ibinibigay na sa inyo. Binibigyan kayo ng
Yes.
platform where you don't have to audition na sobrang tagal. Hindi nyo kailangan
Correct.
patunayan ng maraming beses yung sarili ninyo kasi may ang daming shows na hinahayaan kayong pakilala yung sarili niyo. So, kailangan yung talagang galingan ng galingan. Kasi, di ba medyo, for real I have experience na
Correct.
may mga baby queens na talaga na, alam mo yun, medyo nagtataray-taray or
Meron?
Oo, may mga nag-attitude na parang they think na it's so easy for us.
Yeah.
Na it should be easy for them as well.
Correct. Ito.
Kailangan talaga magtrabaho, guys.
True. Like, ang advice ko nun kay Kiana, kay Mix is like, when you become a drag queen of celebrity level of some sort, you earn like a sort of fame. Not everything will be laid down to you on a silver platter. Hindi yan ang racket. It's real work.
Right.
I don't have to tell you how many times I did drag for free nung panahon ko just to build connections, just so that I can push the envelope a little bit further, not just for myself, but for the next generation of queens. And you think that being on TV makes you marketable. No, it's work. If you want to
Right.
live this life, you want to keep living it for yourself and your sisters and for everyone, you
Right.
have to be professional. You have to come on time. You have to do the work.
And even if you're not booked or you're not given the platform, you have to show up for the
Yes.
community. Support other drag queens. Watch the shows.
Correct.
Diba?
Kahit saan pa yan. Alam mo, hindi totoo na may drag race. No. We are all one and the same. Kasi sabi nga ni Jade,
So,
I are me. But we are one ecosystem. And
Yeah.
the key to keep it sustainable for everyone is for us to help each other.
right.
Whether you're a local
right.
queen or a celebrity queen, as
No
long as you do
gatekeeping, walang kalaban-kalaban. It's a community. Diba? Our community is so small.
It's
Kailangan
so
i-push
small.
natin each other. Okay, magaling ka dyan. Ayan ang gusto mo gawin. Sige, support kita.
that. Yes, gusto mo maglabas ng single, go.
Go.
Gusto mo
Oo.
mag-rap ka. And there's place for everyone. There is space
There's
for everyone.
enough spotlight for everyone.
Yes. There's enough space at the top for everyone.
Oh, wow.
Cheers!
Cheers! Ang galing. Ang saya. I love it.
Diba?
Very mothery. This is the mother episode. I think we're down to our last segment, sister.
Mabilis naman. Ano oras? Ganun lang yun.
Mabilis na lang to.
Mabilis
Mabilis
na
na lang
lang.
to. Grabe. Ano ka ba? Sobrang dami naming natutunan sa'yo. Sobrang daming insights
Wow.
mo lang naibigay. Oo. Ano na? Eva for president.
Dapat magkaroon na tayo ng party list.
Pwede, di ba?
Di ba?
Okay. Ito naman ang tinatawag natin, I'm just hearing it. Kailangan mo lang sagutin ng mga tanong or tumagay ka kung ayaw mo. Sobrang dali lang ito. Mga parang ano lang to, fast
Okay.
talk.
Alright.
Okay. Pero pagkasagot mo, kailangan i-ring mo yung bell natin, ha?
Sige, go.
The hardest way you can para may impact. Okay, game. Global All-Stars or UK versus the world?
Global All-Stars.
Favorite drag race judge?
John Santos.
Best international drag queen?
Marina Summers.
Favorite local queen?
Kiana.
Pinakamabait na local drag queen?
Tita Baby.
Aww. Performing or producing?
Producing.
Boogs or dapat pakwak?
Pop off ate. Diba?
Oh my God! Ang saya nun! Thank you so much, Eva. Thank you for joining us. Please invite our viewers to support you. Saan kanila pwedeng panoorin at i-follow. Go on, sis.
Yes, so RuPaul's Drag Global All-Stars premieres every Friday, a new episode dropping this Friday on Wow Presents Plus and Paramount Plus. I will be at the intervention next week. Yes. Oh my God, it's been a while.
Hosting challenge.
Oh, it's been a while since nag-intervention ako. And I would also be hosting Drag in the South, probably the biggest lineup that we've had in a very long time.
Oo nga.
It's the anniversary of Drag in the South happening on September 22. September 22, Drag
Sama
in
ko
the
dyan,
South.
sis.
Go! Yes, also sa mga taga Bangkok, yes, I'll be at Asia Drag Excellence with Pangina Heels and Marina Summers. I'll be hosting that match. Match talaga. Nagsapakan lang pala yung dalawa no? In Bangkok. And then, I think I might be medyo busy kasi. So parang hindi na ako masyado nag-viewing party for Global All-Stars since we already have Drag Race Philippines Season 3. But I might have on September 6. Please don't forget to follow me on Eva La Queen on all my socials and The Playhouse.
Yes! Maraming salamat. Please keep on supporting Eva La Queen, representing our flag sa Global All-Stars.
Thank you.
Palakpakan natin! Thank you, Supergirl team! Grabe, sobrang dami ko natutunan sa'yo and I've been always vocal, like online, di ba? Like ko sinasabi sa inyo, how proud I am and inspired I am by what you do, ni Marina Summers, sila Jade. So, sobrang inspired ako sa inyo. And thank you for raising the bar so high for the Philippine drag community. And I respect all of you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat
The
sa
feeling
inyo.
is mutual, sis. With
Thank
everything that you've been doing, Kumu, Rampa, you're like really taking you queens under your care and make sure that they are, divine. Iba ang package ng House of Ding. I would say this, for the record, talagang House of Ding is the new generation. I've said this before and I'll say it again. They are the new generation of queens to aspire to be in this generation.
Thank you, Eva. Ang sarap lang 'di ba na mag-inspire ng isa't isa. Dapat ganito tayo sa community natin. Suppressed na tayo and marginalized na tayo. So,
Correct.
let's support each other na lang, 'di ba? On September 29, Brigading Cake is happening at Rampa Club. That's September 29, Sunday. Last Sunday, that's Disco Mania. We have Mick Chanel, Kiana, Maxi, Worship the Gays, Bombading, Mama Janet, and Indigo. Maraming salamat. I love you guys. See you sa Cake, September 29. Thank you so much, Eva La Queen, for guesting on our show. I am very, very, very proud of everything that you have done and the many more things that you will accomplish, especially sa stint mo dito sa Global All-Stars. We are all rooting for you. We wish you all the best. Maraming salamat, Kumu. And shout out to Drag Scene Stand Posting, House of Ding, Zycotic Hair, and My Gown, Jaja Gabonal. Maraming salamat po. Please, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below kung may mga tanong kayo sa mga guests natin or kung sino yung gusto ninyong maging guest natin sa susunod na episode. Share this video also so we can continue to inspire more people. I'll see you again next week only here on Brigading the Brand. Season 2.